this is still a part of what we did in the previous video, where we were working with our straight lines and the new formula we have there, the point intersect formula, what it's called, doesn't really matter. But yeah, so we are going to now find the intersection, the point of intersection, and you need to know this as two graphs, doesn't matter what flavor of graph you are working with. If you have two graphs or two functions or whatever you want to call it, the point of intersection is you solve simultaneously. There's a reason why we do it in grade 10 and grade 11, why we teach you simultaneous equations. It's because that's the point of intersection. Okay, so we have our two straight lines here. They are not in standard form. It doesn't really matter because they're not asking you for that. They're asking for a point, coordinates. Okay, remember, point means coordinates. So we want it nicely in coordinates at the end. Anyway, I digress. So you decide here, okay, well, for me, it looks easy if we're going to do substitution because of this term over here having 1 as a coefficient. So I would change this to x is equal to 5 minus 2y. You can call this equation 1, this one equation 2, and you go substitute. So you go substitute that part that x was equal to into your other formula, then you multiply out, and you go to your calculations to find the y, and once you have the y, you go substitute it in that equation 1, and then you get your x value that matches with your y, and then just remember they told you the point was P, and you first write the x and then the y, and then you're done.